This quick video is about how to make your BeReal post public via Discovery tab on iPhone. Okay, let's see that. First, open your BeReal app, and after you post your BeReal, just click these little three dots. Now you can see these options. Here just touch comments, or you can also touch emojis. In simple, just tap any one of these options. On the top you can see these three dots. Touch that. Now open change audience. Yes, here you can see these two options. In default, if you post BeReal, it only visible to your friends. And to share your BeReal on Discovery tab, change this to global. That's it. Now everyone can see your BeReal post across the world. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.